How to fix the authorization failed on MetaTrader 5. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the authorization failed error on your MetaTrader 5 account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing this problem, the reason can be that your MetaTrader 5 is not up to date. So what you'll need to do is head over to your App Store. After you're on your App Store, simply search for MetaTrader 5. After you open up MetaTrader 5, what you'll need to do is check for any updates. If you have an update available, make sure that you update to the latest version. After you do that, what you'll need to do is you can simply open your MetaTrader 5 up again. And again, if you're facing the error, what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear the cache of MetaTrader 5. To do that, simply head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, head over to General, and from General navigate to iPhone storage, and under there you should find MetaTrader 5. Now after you find MetaTrader 5, open it up and offload the app. Simply tap on offload the app, confirm it, and then you will need to reinstall the app. After you reinstall the app, it will be reinstalled by clearing all the cache, and after you do that, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.